Hi guys, I hope you all are having a great day. Today we're going to be going to my gyno for a checkup. I know a lot of people are just like, we're not gonna do that because gynecologists are scary, but it is something that, every girl should do, follow-ups, checkups, and ensure that everything is fine down there. Obviously later in the day I had to treat myself, and it was also my friend's birthday, so let's just kill two birds with one stone. We ordered the OG platter from Chilitos. It's discontinued now, but hopefully they will bring it back because it was a whole vibe. Like, it was so nice we had to do it twice.
Drive me up the coast, boy, wanna hear the ocean roar crash over me.
So it's the next day, and obviously we are at work. I am just trying to truck through the day and make it to the end. Is it just me, or are these days just getting longer and longer? So it's the end of the day finally, and I'm gonna get some gas for my car. It's always a whole problem when I go to get gas because the gas prices are just not it. But it is a necessary evil because we chose the soft girl life and we chose convenience. So we have to just suck it up and pay the bills.
Try to put me into overflow, crash into me, and let me fall deep enough to feel like deep enough to not let go. Watch over me. We are all stardust, 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 left behind, left to find finally.
But traffic going home is just so stressful. But we made it home and we're getting ready for my other friend's birthday. Good morning, guys. I hope you are having a splendid morning. I hope you're having a great week, and I hope you're refreshed for today and the rest of the week ahead. So, today is just a chill day, it's a work day, it's a self care as usual. I have to do my skincare routine, and today I was just feeling a bit more overwhelmed than usual, and as such, I decided to just give myself some more care. If you saw in my previous videos, my skincare is pretty much the same overall, but sometimes I just try to make the most of my time taking care of myself. So I just made sure I did that. I took it slow for the morning and got ready for the day ahead.
Fall asleep, you will be okay. In your dreams, things will be okay. 'Cause you're here on purpose. You're made for a purpose. Just know.
When I got to work, obviously it was just grind to shine, grind to shine, grind to shine. Can I get an amen in the chat, please? Comment down below and let me know if you are feeling me, if you can relate, and you just know that when you're at work you're on autopilot, but you know we can wind down after work. And I thank God that work is only 7 hours, because at least we get to just wind down and do what we enjoy after. If it is picking up a package, if it's getting something for dinner, and just getting our mind right for the next day.